Joey's here. Time to grind some feed. Our farm is so muddy. Very dusty. All right, well, when this is all ground up, it becomes delicious cattle feed. So the reason we grind is because the cattle eat way more of the bale. When we used to feed round bales just in feeders before grinding it, the cows would maybe eat half, 60% of the bale. Now they eat about 75, 80% of the bale. There's still some waste because cows are picky. But that's what it is. We mix that. We'll have some ground hay, ground corn stalks, mix it with silage, and it'll be tasty. Eat beef. It's what's for dinner.